Hello. What we have here today is our Monarch Model 14 WAA. It is listed at a 14-inch swing, but the actual swing over the bedways are 16.5 inches. Distance between centers is 78 inches. This machine was manufactured in March of 1941. Sold originally by Quaker City Machinery, which I believe is one of my relatives from way back when. Anyhow, for a machine of this age, you can come over here and take a look at the bed. The bed's in very good condition. I mean, it has some wear, but it's very minimal for a machine of this vintage. The cross feed, longitudinal, and feeds all work really, really well. All the slides move very smoothly. All the engagement points work as they should. The barrel for the tailstock, very smooth, and it locks as it should. The machine's equipped with a travel dial on the carriage, which is functional and works as it should. We took the covers off of the machine so that you could see the condition of the gears, and we removed the headstock cap, which is located over there, the original headstock cap, to expose the headstock gearing so we could inspect every gear and all the shifting linkages, and they all appear to be absolutely wonderful. The lubrication system is working as it should. As you can see, there is oil everywhere. Now, the only thing that appears to be missing at this point is the low speed and high speed shifting lever, which would look just like this one. It was cracked and removed to be repaired and somehow has disappeared. So for the demonstration, I'm just going to use this crescent wrench, and that will enable me to shift from high to low gear. Machine's running, motor's nice and quiet. We have good positive clutch engagement. And you can see that the oil lubrication is doing its job. I'm going to move over here to the saddle and show you that the saddle feed is working and the gauges very well. The cross feed as well engages and operates as it should. Now we are running the machine off of the lead screw only, so I'm going to switch over. The feed screw only, so I'm going to switch over and engage the lead screw so you can see that operate as well. Now we have the lead screw operating. I can engage the half nuts. A little bit of lash in that screw, but it's not bad. I mean, it's good positive engagement. And that operates smoothly as well. I want to go through the different speed ranges in the headstock for you. This is a gearhead machine, so you don't want to switch the speeds while the machine's running, because you have a series of synchronizers, and if you notice when I move the synchronizer, it's not properly aligned, so you have to either bump the machine gently or rotate the chuck with a wrench so that it will engage. It's best to do this without the motor running, but there it is. All right, so that's our next speed range. another. And another. These are all in the slow ranges. So now I'm going to switch from the slow range to the high range. Again, the handle's missing, so I'm using a crescent wrench to move the shifting dog over to the high-speed range. You can see how that functions here. Okay, so I'm going to, I think since it's running slowly, I can kind of bump it in. All right.